Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the best camcorder in this year. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Sony HDR-CX405 camcorder. The steady shot image stabilization of this camcorder helps minimize the effect of camera shake using a three-way shake canceling function. It has an intelligent auto mode that selects an appropriate scene to match your shot after performing analysis from a list of 60 different combinations. To ensure you're not caught unaware, there is a built-in USB cable that supports both charging and file transfer. The camcorder features a 29.8mm wide-angle Carl Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens, so you can capture everything that matters in a single frame. How hunt camcorder. The external stereo microphone on this camcorder utilizes the XY stereo pickup technology to produce a stable and clear sound. There is a webcam function on the camera, and you can activate it by connecting to a PC and launching an appropriate app. It supports the use of SD cards, and you will need to format it before it becomes usable on the device. No need to incur an additional cost from purchasing batteries, since the camcorder features rechargeable batteries. It has a foldable handheld stabilizer, a lens hood, pause function, and slow motion recording. Users can set the auto off feature to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or no shutdown. find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items that are the best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write our comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can also get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.